can sweep this bang off to either side. It will be easy to wear and flattering without any trimming necessary. I believe I counted 4 different gray shades on this style. The new Mariah style by Henry Margu is a short, sleek, classically inspired bob cut with a beautiful undercut flattering bang, which so many of you are going to love. I purchased this with my own funds. You can find it at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video, I will attach a direct product link in the description. It'll be titled Henry Margu Mariah. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site where you can see all of the colors, including 3 or 4 beautiful gray shades. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. Short little bob styles like this with bangs are coming on the market in a really big way over the past couple of years. It's easy to see why. It's really easy to wear, and it's super flattering to just about any face shape. Plus, it just has this beautiful practical length that just comes above the collar on most people. So let's start by talking about these bangs. They're about 3.5 inches. So you know your own measurement from hairline to brow. So you know that on me, it's about 3.5 inches. I can sweep this bang off to either side. It will be easy to wear and flattering without any trimming necessary. Now you could trim this to suit your own face shape and preferences. It's beautifully undercut, meaning that the longer layers on top and around the bang form a nice frame around the bang, and it makes it look really nice and wispy across the forehead, and it blends seamlessly into the style. Overall, it's about 10 inches in length. It weighs just over 3 ounces. Now, this is a completely machine-made cap. You're not going to find lace or monofilament. That helps keep the price point down. Now, you are going to see a lot of permatease on this one. And Henry Margu makes a beautifully well-constructed, sturdy cap. And they tend to use a lot of permatease. And that's not a sign that this is an inferior wig in any way. In fact, the use of permatease is very strategic, and it serves to cover up wefting, gives some beautiful lift to the style. I have always appreciated Henry Margu's commitment to quality in their caps, whether it's just an open cap, if it's just a traditional machine-made cap, or if it has lots of monofilament. They do it right every time. Now, the density on this one is nice. It's just an average density. It moves very delicately, just a little wispy movement all the way around. It's a nice, fine, dry fiber. What I mean by that, it's just baby fine. And each one of these fibers is separated. It feels soft, it feels silky. And this is not heat-friendly fiber, guys. So this is regular synthetic. So let's chat about this color. I believe I counted 4 different gray shades on this style. I think that is fantastic. You have so many different options for colors on this style. I think it's going to be a really nice hit. And the fact that they're incorporating some grays, because not all grays are alike, right? When I first started to wear wigs, I think most of the grays that I seen were more blue-based grays. They were very powdery looking. Now we have so many beautiful options, like this number 37 color here. This is a light sandy brown color, and then it's kind of has a graduated gray effect. It is not a rooted shade. So what you're going to see is more grays at the top and crown, and it gets a little darker towards the nape. This mimics a natural gray pattern in the wider population. It looks really very, very natural. The fact that it just has a permatease top, you can part it wherever you like. And so this just came out of the box, maybe just a little bit left of center. But what I like to do is like to get in there, and I like to spring that part. You know me, I like to get in there and pull the fiber up and away from the permatease layer. And then I'll just kind of scrunch that permatease just to further pop up that fiber and find a parting space that I like. The other thing that I love about this is that it's so tuckable. So your permatease is going to be all through the top and the sides and the back and heavy at the nape, but very little through the temple. That keeps the profile nice and slim around the temple, so you can situate it to be most flattering around your face. So this fits very average. Okay, so Henry Margu typically fits me a little large, but this one fits more average. In fact, I just had to cinch it in a tiny bit to accommodate my petite average circumference. So when you have an average style cap, you can typically see a really nice fit from 21 to 21.5 inches to 22.5 inches. There's enough stretch to accommodate a petite average average, and average large. Style looks like this right out of the box, guys. I just gave it a shake, and as I mentioned, I just kind of swirled around on the top to spring those fibers away from the permatease and give them some natural movement. Let's try it with glasses. Glasses fit beautifully between the ear and the ear tab, very comfortable and secure. So let's go ahead and we're just going to style this a little bit. This will get you familiar with how it moves and reacts under manipulation. And you can just see how beautiful it is. There's so much you can learn in the styling segment. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here at TAZ's Wig Closet.